Videotaping? Bullshit, you lying ass motherfucker. Ugh. Seriously, you're videotaping? Oh.
Come on, Cupcake.
No.
Yes.
What do you want me to do? Come look at what I drew.
What'd you draw?
Oh, my H is messed up. It has Josh and Candace and 2 little hearts.
Oh, you drew Josh and Candace.
Yeah. There used to be a bowl.
Are you reaching for your balls?
My ass is cold. Seriously? My butt's wet.
Candace, where are you taking us? Oh, she's riding the little elf.
Holy shit! This is so much easier when I was a kid! Okay. My hands are cold. Now what are we gonna do? Gotta walk this way.
Oh, she's strutting shit.
Don't push me! Never mind! No! Ah! My ass is falling out of my pants! Oh, my crotch is cold! Holy shit! Hey, oh! My hands are cold! My ass is cold!
Wee wee wee!
I'm getting dizzy.